video with a thumbs up if you, every winters, just like me, wants a new set of winter clothes but you don't want to go broke. Hi guys, I'm Ashrita and welcome back to my channel. This video is all you need this winter season because I will be sharing some winter wardrobe essentials. That is all you need to mix and match your winter outfits. They are super versatile and I'm going to suggest affordable options that are not going to break your bank. First up, winters mein layering is your best friend. It not only keeps you really warm, but you can mix and match and create fresh looks every day without spending extra money. So here's what you need for layering. First up are thermals. Now Uniqlo hands down is the best out there in the market. The heat tech technology is amazing for winters and that's all you need to survive. But if you want to go slightly lower in the budget, Decathlon and Amazon have some excellent options as well. And of course your good old Jockey also has thermals that you can go ahead and buy. A black or a white would be perfect for you. Next up are some basic turtlenecks. These can either be ribbed or non-ribbed. You can easily layer them over jackets, coats, blazers, or even shirts. Uniqlo's Heat Tech turtleneck is the one that I have and the material is so thin but it still keeps me really warm. I'm going to link that down below for you guys. But you can also get tons of thermals on Myntra and I have a few others from Zara as well in the range of $7.99 to $12.99, which I think is a very good price for the quality that they give. When it comes to styling in winter outfits, I like to keep the colors very neutral in the tones of blacks, whites, grays and browns, which is why I would recommend going for colors in turtlenecks as well that are in that color palette. And the third piece that is really important for layering is a nice thin cardigan. You can actually add a pop of color if you'd like to your outfit with these cardigans. You can go for some pastel colors, grays or browns. These can also be styled just by themselves with jeans and a pair of boots and they look really chic in winters. You can also add a scarf over your cardigan to complete your outfit. Next wardrobe essential is a nice jacket. There are tons of jackets out there and let me be honest, a good quality jacket is slightly expensive, but if you're looking for affordable options, Uniqlo, Decathlon and H&M have some great options. Now even here I'm going to talk about only the essential jackets that you need, and the first one would be a puffer jacket. It not only keeps you really warm and fuzzy, but it also looks super trendy and chic. The one that I have is from Zara and I've had it for 2-3 years now, but unfortunately it's starting to chip off. And a tip here, if you guys also have faux leather jackets, is to not fold and keep them in your suitcase during summers, but hang them even in summers. I know it's going to take a bit of space, but I have learned it the hard way. To protect your jackets, you need to not fold them, but hanging them is the solution to make them last longer. Next up is a shacket, which is basically a mix of a shirt and a jacket. These are also great layering pieces because they are not as thick as the puffer jackets. I have this one from H&M. Again, I've had it for a really long time. It's lasted me really long and it cost me about 2,000 rupees, but I don't think it's available anymore. I am going to link some more options in the description box for you guys. You can style these over stockings, skirt and a sweater, or you can also style them with leather pants, a cardigan and a shacket over it. There are tons of ways to style this jacket. And finally, long woolen coats are a must-have in the winter season. Throw them over any outfit and they will go really well with it. आप कोई भी outfit ले लो, be it skirts, pants, jeans, dresses, anything, and throwing a woolen coat over it will make you look more put together in the winter season and will keep you warm as well. The ones that I love are from Zara. It's a black and a camel kind of palette that I have. But if you want to find something under the budget of 2,500 rupees, there are some Myntra brands that you can check out. I'm going to link them all down below and also show you guys on the screen. But these ones from Zara that I have cost me about 2,799. They were just about 400-500 more than a brand that you would find on Myntra, but they've lasted me really long and they fit really well. Now moving on to some winter accessories, stockings and fleece leggings are again a must-have for your winter wardrobe. Now fleece leggings can get slightly thicker of course compared to stockings, so when you wear them under skirts or dresses they do tend to look a little bulky and a little weird, which is why you should always have stockings handy to create those chic outfits. And when you pair those with thigh-high boots or slightly longer boots and long woolen coats, you will actually keep yourself warm from all the sides, so you're good to go even if you're wearing thinner stockings. The ones that I have been wearing and swear by are the Marks and Spencer ones, which you guys should totally check out. Otherwise on Amazon you get some generic brands as well, which don't last as long, but for your one winter season they are really good. During winters our outfits are anyway bulky, so there's not a lot of scope to add accessories, but scarves is one thing that you can actually add on to your outfit to keep yourself warmer and it also looks chic. So there are actually tons of designs, colors and styles of scarves available online on on Myntra. I'm going to link some down below for you guys, because I think if you're not able to accessorize your outfit well, just adding a scarf over it can actually make it look more put together and will look like you've put in a bit of more effort. And lastly, getting your footwear right during the winter season is really important. I have done a really detailed video on different types of boots out there and how you can style them in which ones would suit you. There are combat boots, lace-up boots, ankle length, thigh height, tons of videos, tons of boots out there, and you need to watch this video to learn more about them. But it is really important to have a good pair of boots in your wardrobe that you can wear with all your outfits. If you want to stick to only one in your wardrobe, I would recommend getting a black pair of boots because they are versatile and will go with everything possible. But if you want to add a pop of color to your winter wardrobe, then a brown pair of boots is what I would recommend. And the second pair of footwear, if you're tired of wearing boots or you're not a big fan, is a pair of good sneakers. Now obviously Slasho has some amazing sneakers out there. They are basic, versatile, affordable and super trendy. I personally love the color palette. These are colors that you can pair during summer season and also winter season and even fall, because the colors are so neutral and so versatile. I'm going to link them down below for you guys and also show you some ways you can style them, and I am 100% sure you're gonna love them. I've also done tons of videos on winter outfit ideas and how to put together winter outfits, so do check them out as well. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. I'm gonna sign off and I will see you guys super soon in my next video.